Never hurt your mother. Never disrespect her, even in anger. Never abandon her. Help her. Make her happy. Be kind and pleasant to her. Never forget that without her, you would never be here. A mother is the person who gives you life, but it is much more than that. It is unconditional support, limitless love, a source of wisdom and comfort. She is there in good times and bad, always ready to listen to you, to guide you, to support you. Every day spent with her is a blessing. Every smile, every word of encouragement, every hug. It is a priceless treasure. As we grow up, we sometimes realize late how much she has done and continues to do for us. So let's take the time to show her our gratitude, to give back to her what she gave us, to take care of her as she took care of us. The mother is the heart of the family, the bond that unites, the force that sustains. She deserves all the respect and love that we can give her. Let's not wait until it's too late to express our love and gratitude to her.